coldest mystery on Earth. They told us Antarctica was just ice, nothing more than a frozen wasteland at the bottom of the world. But what if that was never the full truth? What if, buried beneath the endless layers of snow and silence, lies something far older than we can imagine? Not just fossils, not just ice, but the ruins of an ancient, forgotten world. A place lost to history, a civilization swallowed by time. Tonight we journey to the edge of the known world, to Antarctica, where the greatest secret of human history may still sleep beneath the frost. The mission that raised questions in 1946, just after the global chaos of World War II had subsided, the United States launched one of the largest military expeditions in its peacetime history, Operation High Jump. Officially, it was a training exercise, but what kind of training requires 13 ships, a full aircraft carrier, over 4,000 military personnel, and the eyes of the world watching silently? Whispers grew quickly. Some claimed strange lights were seen above the ice. Others said ships vanished from radar. Pilots reported odd magnetic fields, distorted instruments, and, most chilling of all unidentified flying objects breaking the sound barrier with impossible agility. What did they really encounter in Antarctica, and why did they retreat weeks earlier than planned? Satellite anomalies. What lies beneath the ice? Fast forward to modern day. Satellite imagery now penetrates where human feet have never stepped. And what do we find? Unnatural shapes, geometrically perfect structures, aerial shots showing what appears to be massive triangular pyramids beneath the ice. Could these be natural formations, glaciers shaped by wind and time? Or are we looking at the remains of something man-made, or not made by man at all? Some scientists argue the probability of these formations occurring naturally is near zero. The perfect angles, the dimensions, the placement, it all points to design, not chance. The Piri-Reis map, a glimpse into the impossible. In the dusty archives of Istanbul lies a map drawn in 1513 by Ottoman Admiral Piri-Reis, a map that stunned historians. Why? Because it shows the coastline of Antarctica without ice. Centuries before the continent was even officially discovered, how could someone in the 16th century know what the subglacial landmass looked like, unless they were copying a map far older, one passed down from a forgotten age? A time when Antarctica was not a frozen desert, but a thriving land. Green, warm, alive. Atlantis, a civilization swallowed by ice. Plato spoke of a mighty civilization called Atlantis, a land of unmatched power and advanced technology. A utopia that vanished in a single cataclysm. For centuries, we've searched for Atlantis beneath the oceans. But what if we've been looking in the wrong place all along? What if a sudden shift in Earth's crust pushed an entire continent to the South Pole? Imagine temples, cities, monuments, all swallowed by ice within a generation. What we now call Antarctica could be the final tomb of Atlantis itself. Why so much silence? Declassified documents are filled with redactions. Former military officers speak in riddles. Satellite zones are mysteriously restricted. Certain areas of Antarctica are completely off limits, even to scientific teams. Why such tight control over an empty continent? Some say world powers know something they're not sharing. That deep beneath the surface lies not only ancient ruins, but ancient power. Technology that defies our understanding. Energy sources we can't replicate. And maybe something still functioning. The Nazi connection, dark obsessions in a frozen land, In the years leading up to World War II, Nazi Germany launched expeditions to Antarctica, specifically a region they renamed Neuschwabenland. But they weren't searching for weather patterns or penguins. Some believe they uncovered ancient ruins, massive underground caverns, possibly left behind by a pre-human race. The theory suggests the Nazis attempted to harness forgotten knowledge, even build bases atop those ruins. Rumors of secret escape routes, mysterious crafts, and underground operations persist to this day. Too wild to believe or too true to ignore. 8. Geological evidence. Antarctica was once alive. Science confirms that Antarctica was not always frozen. Roughly 12,000 years ago, it was a vibrant land covered in forests, rivers, and wildlife. That date aligns chillingly well with the sudden end of the last ice age and the mysterious collapse of civilizations like Göbekli Tepe and the Clovis people. Could a global cataclysm have struck, erasing knowledge, cultures, and entire cities? Could Antarctica be the final resting place of the survivors of that ancient extinction? Some theorists go even further. What if the civilization buried beneath the ice wasn't human? What if Antarctica served as a landing site, a base, or even a command center for beings from beyond our planet? The magnetic anomalies, the strange energy fields, the reports of UFOs, it all fits. Could it be that what sleeps beneath Antarctica is not just the past of humanity, but the proof we've never been alone? 10. Conclusion. Secrets in the ice. The ice of Antarctica is more than a natural wonder. It is a vault, a time capsule sealed by nature itself. We may never know what lies beneath its vast frozen deserts, but the signs are there. The stories, the maps, the whispers, the ruins, and every passing year the ice melts just a little more. Maybe one day, what lies beneath will rise again. Until then, we can only wonder, was there once a world beneath the South Pole? World of wonders, of power, of beings lost to time? Or is the greatest secret of our planet still waiting to be found?